Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me, and thank you, Kariera, for supporting all the ideas I want to share with this amazing community you've created here. I really miss the in-person events, though, as I remember myself really looking forward to seeing you all since the start of my career as software engineer. I've attended codeweek. So I'm kind of requesting here for next year to be all together in a room. So to our session today, I want to discuss with you the impact of Gen AI on transforming digital experiences. A lot of things happening last years, and we have a lot to learn, too many opportunities we haven't explored yet. So really excited, and I believe if we start talking more about Gen AI and the future, only wonderful things will happen. So a bit of housekeeping, the agenda for today. We will cover what Gen AI is, a bit of when it started, why developers should care about it, what we see these days, take some case studies, and let's think about the future. Almost forgot to introduce myself. I'm Anastasia Plati for the Greeks. I'm based in Athens, Greece, a developer and software engineer at heart. I've been around tech industry for almost 8 years, worked as development manager, technical PM, and many more. And today I'm happy innovating at Sidecore as a technical product marketing manager for almost 3 years now. So my relationship with AI, it's like I love innovation, want everything cutting edge of technology, and really want to deliver unforgettable digital experiences to everyone out there. So I'm here to learn and explore with you how we can really make it change and have a massive impact. So for starters, what is generative AI? As you can see here in the graph, we are at the AI family where ML, machine learning, and Gen AI, generative AI, belong. So let's go with the definitions. So AI, artificial intelligence, enables machines to simulate human cognitive functions like reasoning and problem solving, broadening their capabilities beyond simple tasks. ML, machine learning, is a subset of AI that allows algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in various tasks. Gen AI, generative AI, specifically focuses on machines' ability to create new content, such as images or text, in response to given prompts, fostering creativity and innovation. So the difference between them is that AI acts on data following preset rules, ML learns how to act from data, and Gen AI creates new data. So a bit of history here just to highlight that AI is not new. We didn't invent all of this the last decade, as many think. So you can see some milestones here. As we're Greeks, I will say that ancient philosophers pondered questions of life and death, while inventors created automations and medical devices that move independently. So while the concept of autonomous machines dates back centuries, the 20th century saw significant advancements as engineers and scientists began to make strides toward modern day AI. So the milestones here, we start groundwork for AI was 1900 to 1950. So first, 1921, we heard the word robots. Then 1949, we had giant brains or machines that think. And the birth of AI was 1950 to 56. Of course, 1950, we have Alan Turing published the computer, machinery, and intelligence. Then 55, we have John McCarthy held a workshop at Dartmouth on artificial intelligence, popularizing the term. Then we have the AI maturation between 57 to 79. We have Edward Feigenbaum and Joshua Lederberg created the first expert system. And 1966, we have Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot, Elisa. So the AI boom was about 80 and 87. We have the first conference of the American Association of Artificial Intelligence. And the AI winter is where Rollo Carpenter invented the chatbot devcommunity. And we have AI agents between 93 and 2011. So 1997, we have IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. 97, Microsoft released speech recognition software. And 2003, we have NASA landing rovers on Mars. And 2011, IBM's Watson won Jeopardy. So then we are to 2012 till present. So artificial general intelligence. So 2012, Google's neural network recognized cats in unlabeled images. And 2016, we have Hanson Robotics created humanoid robot Sophia, the first robot citizen. 2017, we have Facebook's AI chatbots develop their own language during negotiation. And 2020, OpenAI started beta testing GPT-3, a model capable of creating human-like content. I really hope you are not too bored with all the details I've shared, but really is fascinating to me. Also, biased to keep you awake, as I know it's after work hours for many of you. And a good friend of mine, actually, Mati, advised me not to bore you. So hopefully I will not. So everything started with this photo. It was last year OpenAI Dev Day, actually. And that was OpenAI's keynote. So more than 1 year of the trend, generative AI is everywhere, revolutionizing every industry around us. So we think we are now at the end of the first hype. Everyone is building what we call micro applications. I borrowed this slide from a friend, actually. I found it so funny, but also probably accurate, right? So as you can see, even a toothbrush is highlighting AI at its heart. So seems like it's built with AI. So if you try to understand and break down these productivity gains from Gen AI across the global economic industries, this recent McKinsey report estimates that Gen AI could contribute up to 4.4 trillion. Let me say that again, 4.4 trillion in annual global productivity. So according to the analysis, as you can see here, software engineering, marketing, and sales is one of 4 functional groups that combined could reap an estimated 75% of that value. So this is a short presentation, and I really cannot cover too many aspects as I wanted to, like ethics, bias, etc. But the question that I want to answer to is, will AI thrive without humans' innovation? So I want to emphasize an important notion here. I don't believe AI is going to do developers or marketers' job entirely. Rather, AI is here to make our life easier. Cannot finish this building in the photo, right? Am I right? So, open to your thoughts on this topic too. Please ping me on the chat. So, let's talk about why developers should care. So, talking about developers, as I believe the majority here belongs to this group, sorry, fellow marketers. Also, my slides will be black for the next 5 minutes just to make sure I'm talking to developers and they are comfortable with black screens. So, for most of the last of decades, if you wanted to build an AI system, this is what you have to do. You have to write pages and pages of code. And while I would love for everyone to learn to code, and in fact, online education and also offline education are helping more people that ever learn to code, unfortunately, not everyone has the time to do this. But there is an emerging new way to build AI systems that will let more people participate. Just like pen and paper, which are vastly superior technology to stone tablet, were instrumental to widespread literacy, there are new AI development platforms that shift the focus from asking you to write lots of code to asking you to focus on providing data. And it turns out to be much easier for a lot of people to do. A parenthesis here, if you go back, like when, for example, I was in university studying computer science, our professors used to say, find the answer by yourself. I'm not going to provide it to you, you can find it. What that meant. So to be a good software engineer, developer, I believe it was, is, and will be that you have the skill on providing data. You're searching on Google, Stack Overflow, GitHub, whatever channel this is. At the end, you just have to provide the right data to have your answer. So closing the parenthesis, today there are multiple companies working on platforms like this rather than relying to AI gurus to write AI systems for everyone else. So we can start to empower everyone to build their own AI systems. AI is creating tremendous wealth and will continue to create tremendous wealth. So how we can enable like small businesses and individuals to build AI systems that matter to them. So how things are different for developers and digital experience. Let's come to your day-to-day. By seeing like developers as creators of digital experiences and explore opportunities for innovation with generative AI. We have enhancing creativity and efficiency. A key focus would be on how Gen AI is enabling developers to augment their creativity and productivity. So let's see. We have streamlined workflows where Gen AI tools can automate repetitive tasks in the development process. For instance, they can assist in code generation, data preprocessing, or even in generating UI layouts based on design specifications. This automation reduces the time developers spend on mundane tasks, allowing them to focus more on creative problem solving and innovation. Then we have the rapid prototyping. So with Gen AI, developers can quickly prototype ideas and concepts. For example, they can use AI to generate variations of a design or simulate different scenarios to see how they affect user experiences. This rapid prototyping accelerates the iteration process, enabling developers to iterate and refine their ideas more efficiently. Then creative exploration. GenAI tools can inspire creativity by providing developers with new perspectives and ideas. For instance, they can generate alternative designs or suggest optimizations based on predefined criteria. This encourages developers to explore unconventional solutions and push the boundaries of what's possible in digital experiences. Personalization and customization. GenAI enables developers to create highly personalized and customized experiences for users. By analyzing user data and preferences, AI algorithms can generate content, recommendations, or interfaces tailored to individual users. This level of personalization enhances user engagement and satisfaction, ultimately contributing to a better digital experience. We have collaboration and co-creation, where GenAI fosters collaboration among developers and between developers and other stakeholders. For example, AI-powered tools can facilitate co-creation sessions where multiple team members contribute ideas that are then synthesized and refined by AI algorithms. This collaborative approach accelerates the development process and ensures that diverse perspectives are incorporated into the final product. So here's an example shared by Deloitte. So I'm going to read it as it is. So we have a code assist for developers, augmented developer, and generative AI can be used to supplement the work of software developers by helping create and maintain multiple applications and platforms. So the each opportunity here is to give customers a seamless digital experience. Enterprises are challenged to develop and maintain applications across different platforms. Yet, developers and other high-skilled professionals are in high demand and short supply. So to overcome the talent gap, Gen AI can be used to supplement a developer's effort by automating aspects of code creation and maintenance. So the developer can focus more on complex code writing, and validating Gen AI outputs. How generative AI can help offloading loader level work. Generative AI can augment the completion of repetitive tasks, such as the deployment and maintenance of code across different platforms like iOS, Android, web apps. Developer assistant GenAI can be used in the development of code itself, serving as an assistant supporting software developers in writing and maintaining code. And it can also promote consistency across platforms and applications, such as by converting functional code to different environments. So code assist for developers, we have to manage the risk and promoting trust. So you have to think about security. So code created with Gen AI may include vulnerabilities that may be difficult to identify during development and even after deployment. So given the importance of cybersecurity, enterprises need to ensure generated code does not introduce security risks. And then to be reliable, like Gen AI is susceptible to errors, and when using it for development tasks, human validation is necessary to mitigate the risk of bugs or vulnerabilities in code. as it is created and maintained for multiple applications. And potential benefits. Efficient deployments using Gen AI can help developers efficiently deploy and maintain code across platforms. And then we have another benefit could be like digital consistency. Using Gen AI helps developers maintain a consistent experience across multiple platforms by ensuring its environment functions at the same level of quality, thanks to automation that augment developer capacity and capabilities. So let's take case studies from other industries. So in Sitecore, we are currently working on Gen AI features on all of our products. So it's really exciting seeing content generation features, personalization enhanced by Gen AI, images generator, and many, many other things that we're working on. Unfortunately, for legal reasons, I cannot share these cases I work on right now, but we are here to learn from everybody. So let's see some cases from some companies we all know, I believe. So we have content generation first. So content creation for marketing, like companies like Adobe and Canva leverage Gen AI to assist users in creating graphics, videos, and other visual content. AI algorithms can suggest design elements, layouts, and even generate entire marketing campaigns based on user input and preferences. So I'm going to dive into my own experience posting on LinkedIn about this event and my session. Sorry about you saying underline the code week. So content creation tool. So what LinkedIn does, like integrating the rewrite with Gen AI option directly into the post creation interface. So users can choose to rewrite their posts using Gen AI before publishing them. And then we have the post analytics and optimizations. Offer the option to rewrite posts using Gen AI within LinkedIn's analytics dashboard. So after analyzing the performance of their post, users could have the option to automatically generate alternative versions optimized for engagement, reads, or specific audience segments. We have a recommendation engine. Implement the rewrite with an AI feature with LinkedIn's recommendation engine. So when users receive suggestions for posts to share or articles to read, they could also be provided with AI-generated alternatives tailored to their interests and objectives. Also, profile enhancements allow users to rewrite sections of their LinkedIn profiles using Gen AI. This could include summaries, job descriptions, and skill endorsements. Users could experiment with different versions of their profiles to find the most compelling and effective presentation. And messaging and networking. So enable users to rewrite messages and networking invitations using Gen AI. This could help users craft more personalized and engaging communications, whether they're reaching out to new connections, following up on leads, or initiating conversations with potential collaborators. Then we have personalization. We have e-commerce recommendations where platforms like Amazon and Netflix use Gen AI algorithms to personalize product recommendations and content suggestions for users. These algorithms analyze user behavior, purchase history, and preferences to generate personalized recommendations that improve user engagement and conversion rates. We have healthcare and fitness. Apps and wearables in the healthcare and fitness industry use an AI to personalize workout plans, diet recommendations, and health insights for users. AI algorithms can analyze biometric data, activity levels, and user goals to generate customized health and fitness plans. So I'm going to dive more into like Babylon, because I find it very interesting when it comes to health and AI, and then AI can help with. So Babylon is at the forefront of the telehealth innovation, utilizing AI to revolutionizing access to healthcare services. So you have virtual consultations. This also allows people to get medical advice from doctors using a virtual platform. Users can set up text or video consultations with doctors or other healthcare experts through the app. You have the AI-powered diagnosis. Modern AI helps make consultations faster and aid doctors in finding out what illnesses people have. Its AI can look at a person's symptoms, medical history, and other details to suggest possible illnesses to the doctor during the virtual consultation. So also tailored treatment programs. It makes personalized treatment plans and helps diagnose illnesses. And based on the AI diagnosis and the user's health information, this app can recommend medical procedures, medicines, and lifestyle changes that could help. And also prescription services. This app lets doctors send prescriptions to pharmacies online. It makes getting meds simpler, and you don't need in-person visits for prescription. This helps people get important medicines faster. So the process of managing medications become easier with this feature. So it provides like the convenience of virtual prescriptions. Medical professionals can electronically forward prescriptions for fulfillment to pharmacists. So I believe we have some of these apps here in Greece. They're starting now and evolving and using the AI tool. So I really want to see more in the healthcare industry. Then we have virtual environments, so virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. So in VR and AR applications, GenAI is used to generate realistic simulations, interactive experiences, and virtual avatars. So AI algorithms can simulate physics, generate 3D models from 2D images, and enhance the realism of virtual environments. So here I have two cases from L'Oreal and Aston Martin, both of them luxury brands, maybe Aston Martin more, that want to increase engagement and revenue, of course. So they're customers of ours. So we went VR with them and created a virtual makeup for L'Oreal when you can try live all the products and how they look on you, how they fit you. And then for Aston Martin, we created the ultimate experience where anyone can experience driving an Aston Martin feeling. Really innovative. That started, both cases, I believe, started like 2 years before and went out last year. We have already have like great numbers there. So let's see the future, right? Predictions on future trends in Gen AI. So here, I really want like your feedback, your participation, your comments. What do you think? So I have some points here. So we have advancements in creativity. So Gen AI models will likely become even more proficient at generating creative content across different mediums such as text, images, music, and videos. So this could lead to breakthroughs in areas like art, design, and entertainment, where AI-generated content becomes increasingly indistinguishable from human-created content. We have personalization and scale. Then AI will continue to drive personalization efforts across industries, allowing business to tailor products, services, and experiences to individual preferences and behaviors. From customized product recommendations to personalized marketing campaigns, AI will play a central role in delivering hyper-personalized experience at scale. And then I'm thinking of human AI collaboration. We may see a shift towards more seamless collaboration between humans and AI systems. Rather than replacing human creativity and expertise, Gen AI will augment human capabilities, serving as a creative partner and tool for ideation, exploration, and problem solving across diverse domains. What I said before about ethical and regulatory considerations. So as Gen AI becomes more pervasive, there will be increased scrutiny and discussion around ethical and regulatory frameworks. So issues such as bias, fairness, privacy, and ownership of AI-generated content will need to be addressed to ensure responsible deployment and use of Gen AI technologies. Then we have domain-specific applications, where Gen AI models will be increasingly tailored to specific domains and industries, enabling more specialized and context-aware applications. For example, we may see the emergence of Gen AI models designed specifically for healthcare, finance, education, or scientific research, addressing domain-specific challenges and opportunities. And I have many more here, so I will just wait for your comments and thoughts. And as we're running out of time, I want to really thank you. So thank you so much for attending my session. And again, thank you, Kariera, for organizing this wonderful event. I want to believe that this session was the start for us to share ideas, challenges, and innovate together. So my gift will be to see you coming on the chat here at the event page to start a conversation about all matters Gen AI or whatever interests you. Hope you enjoyed the session. It took me some time to finish my deck. I did stay here. So hope you learned something, disagree with something, and start talking about Gen AI and possibilities of it. So if you like or not, you didn't, the presentation, share what you liked or you didn't like. Share your feedback and thoughts with me or with a LinkedIn post. I'm really looking forward to connecting with all of you on LinkedIn and answer your questions there too. So please, let's stay in touch. We can do great things together. Thank you so much.